welcome. Today we begin a search for the best YouTube ukulele channel. What I'm going to do is turn myself into a beginner and follow tutorials by different ukulele channels to see who can teach me how to play. Those of you who follow this channel know that I play ukulele this way. Well, I've retuned the instrument and I'm going to play it on this side and let's see what happens. We are starting this series with the Ukulele Cheats channel, or ukulele. By the way, I'm going to say ukulele and ukulele. If you don't like it, you don't have to watch. I'm going to start with Ukulele Cheats channel, and I found a tutorial that uses pretty basic chords. So let's see how I do.
The most loneliest day of my life. Hey guys, I'm Vasko from UKULELECheats.com, and today we're making Lonely Day by System of a Down. So we need 5 chords. The chord of A minor, then the chord of F, the chord of C, the chord of E7, and also for the bridge we need the chord of G. And pretty much throughout the whole song we have 2 parts, the verse and chorus and the bridge. The verse is such a lonely day and it's mine.
Oh, my bracelet. Oh, this is jade too. I don't know if I can take it off. It looks like he's using the strumming pattern like bum 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 bum. So maybe a feel of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is gonna be challenging. Okay, let's see.
The most loneliest day of my life. And the bridge is when if you go, I wanna go with you. And if you die, I wanna die with you.
Oh my God.
Get back to the first part. As for the strumming pattern.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's try that out. Oh, so maybe it's not a search for the best teacher as much as it is what it feels like to be a beginner again. That went way too fast. And I don't think it's the teacher, I think it's my fingers. Like my fingers don't want to do what I need them to. Okay, so the bridge goes from F to E7. See that? That is so scary because there's no fingers in common. You almost need the fingers to have that like memorized. And then to G, are you kidding me? How? Oh, and it hurts. Look, can you see my hand? It's already like, because this doesn't have calluses. Wow, I'm sorry guys that I go fast.
I'm just doing little slow downs.
Oh, that's nice.
Sounding each string separately.
That's
and then
nice. I can do that.
Down, 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 down.
I can do that.
Down, 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 down.
Wait, do I think I can do it because I'm doing it with him? Let me see if I can do it alone. Okay, down. It slipped. Wow. Okay. Down, 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 down. Then, how do you hold it? Down, 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 down. You know what though? His instructions are clear because I know exactly what he wants me to do. It's just this hand won't do it.
Down, down, down. But you can do your own thing. have to know this. Let's do a slow down play along.
Okay.
And that was my ukulele tutorial for Lonely Day by System of a Down.
So what I'm noticing is, first of all, ouch, calluses. You really need calluses to be successful. I thought I cut these nails short enough, but they really should be shorter because I'm noticing that I'm not making the right chord shape, partially because the nail is preventing me from really curving in. Switches like from E7 and G are so intimidating. Vasko's tutorial is good because he's slow and he's clear and he explains the strumming pattern, and the chord charts are up there, the close-ups are right on his hands, so I'm gonna praise him for that. But oh my goodness, I understand now that I need to go slower on the lessons that are for absolute beginners, because it is very frustrating to switch on some of those chords when your fingers are not even there yet. So, wow, thank you. What a learning experience. If you would like to learn this song or any other song by Vasko on the Ukulele Cheats channel, I will make sure and link them here on the cards and down below as well. He has a really nice selection of songs. This was just one that I chose because I thought the chords would be really easy. And I can imagine what I would have done if I would have chosen a bar chord song. Which tutorial would you like me to follow next? Let me know in the comments below. If you link me to a specific video, that will really help narrow it down. And I'm open to following tutorials in other languages as well. So if you have a ukulele teacher from a different language, if the tutorial is clear enough, I think I can try and follow no matter what. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for being patient with me because I learned a lot today, and I will see you in the next video. Sayonara!